Welcome to Autodraw. To get to Autodraw, go to autodraw.com. Let me show you around. This icon right here is called Autodraw, and here's how it works. You draw something, and the computer tries to figure out what it is you're drawing. When you find what you're looking for, you click on it. This right here is simply your draw tool. You can change the size of it right up here. Let's go ahead and change the color. This is the color menu. Perfect. This right here is your text button. You can change the font as well as the size up here. Click anywhere and type something. This is your fill button. Let's change the color again. And this is your shape menu. You'll have to go up here to pick the shape you want to draw. If you decide you want to move something, click on the select button. Click on the object and move it around. This allows you to zoom, and this allows you to undo something that you didn't mean to do. Now, let me show you the Pancake Menu. Here, you can download this to your computer, and it should save in your download folder. Or you can choose to share it. It'll give you a link. You'll click Copy Link, and then you'll paste that wherever you want to share the link. And that's all there is to it. Have fun!